Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Andbenz. You can call me Andbenz. Today I've come with another one, a big one, Cheelee App. This app is amazing. You make money while watching short videos and making some minor tasks. Cheelee App is apps that want to make you money right from the comfort of your home, zero skill requirement. Without wasting more of your time, I will take you to a bit by bit ways on how to use this app and make a living from this app. The link to download this amazing app is right in the description of the video in this video. So stay back. Drop too early, there is no doubt you're gonna miss the whole juice in this video, and if you stay to the end, you will buy me a cup of coffee. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my vital info like this again. I know what this app withdrawal is super simple. Just 1 or 2 steps, boom, into your bank account. Don't miss out. It's super amazing. Let's go there. How to make money? To keep it simple, you need to watch the feed and catch reward boxes. But let's examine it in detail. You sign up, we give you starting glasses. The Cheelee app uses digital glasses. There are 7 types of digital glasses, each with a different design and rarity. The rarities of glasses affect the earning potential and the amount of lead token in box drops and the amount of attention that can be accumulated. With them, start watching with the feed and get paid for it. For example, starting glasses can bring you up to $4 to $8 per week. Cool, isn't it? Once more than $4 to $8 boosts your income with new digital glasses. And in the n/play section, the marketplace serves as a trading platform where you can buy digital glasses, loot boxes and cases containing digital glasses. Their prices for digital glasses start at $3. No matter what pair you choose, you will get above their price. Revenue range from 1.2x to 3.3x of it. Another key success factor is the choice of strategy. Cheelee has 3 strategies: locking, mix, and stability. Each of them offer different level of profitability. Some strategies are more risky but may bring more profit. Others give you less money but higher guarantees. You can change the strategy once only. While using glasses, you will notice that attention is running out. The attention parameter is a renewable resource that is extremely important for receiving reward. It determines how long you can watch a video feed to earn coin. This more attention you have, the longer the viewer is rewarded. You can increase the parameter by purchasing glasses of a higher rarity. But endurance is not automatically restored. The endurance parameter determines the durability of digital glasses, starting at a full 100 over 100. When this parameter is over, you need new glasses. It decreases as attention is spent while watching videos and is finished in about 30 days. Money withdrawal. Finally, the lead token expresses the real value of your time on the platform. The main rewards are awarded in it. The main thing, you can withdraw lead only after buying elementary or rare glasses. Minimum amount 0.6 lead or 0.9 to withdraw directly to your card. Do you still have questions? Drop it in the comment. So that is all about Cheelee app, and you can see it's amazing. So don't forget to to use the link in the bio to register and start making money right away. Thanks for your time.